Hello, you are welcome to IB Diploma Program, Biology and ESS Program, Environmental Systems and Societies Program, Internal Assessment Ideas. We are starting by one of the main streets, and this is also the gutter or the drain that collects water, wastewater from all the various parts of the city right into the sea. This is a newly constructed drainage system, but as you can see, it is gradually being taken over by some plant and animal species. This is a very good area for you to collect data for your biology and especially your ESS program. And as we zoom in, you can see that as we move from the main street, the vegetation type and the number of animal species begin to change, as well as also some debris like bottles and plastics that are found inside them. Now, how can we collect data? On the floor here, we have a marker or a mop stick, and also a skipping rope, as you can see. Now, the skipping rope or the mop stick can be used as your instrument of measurement, whilst you use the marker to mark off any measurement that you do. So what we can suggest is the fact that when you use the skipping rope, that will give you 1 unit of along the drainage system. So that unit, you collect everything that you see as far as observing the area is concerned. So you collect the animal species, the plant species, any other materials that you find, and then you move to the next zone and you mark it off all the way to the end of the drainage system. Now when you get home, you can then use your ruler to do your various calculations and readings from the skipping rope. Therefore, we can use this place as site 1, and there are various of such drainage system that runs through the city. So if you can visit about 5 or 6 and collect data, that will be a very rich source of data that you have collected for your internal assessment. Now, we are doing this because, of course, you know the situation and the circumstances in which we are living in right now. Most of us are at home, and therefore we cannot conduct experiment in school, but we can exploit or explore what is in our environment and make good use of data. The most important thing is to make sure that you collect a very large volume of data. This calls for a lot of creativity, this calls for a lot of observation, this calls for a lot of innovation, and this is what IB looks out for. How you can use your ingenuity or the ideas that you have learned from your theory and apply them to what you find in your environment. So this is a very typical example of what you can do for biology or the ESS program and collect a lot of data for your internal assessment. Visit the Tufts College website for more ideas on internal assessment for biology and the ESS program. See you next time.